In the quiet corners of this botanical garden, something remarkable catches the eye. Rising tall with a flame-like bloom, the torch ginger stands alone, bold, radiant, and untouched by time. A moment of tropical wonder, hidden, native to the lush rainforests of Southeast Asia. Etlingera elatior, the torch ginger, flourishes in warmth and humidity. In the wild, it grows tall under the canopy, its vivid blooms lighting up the forest floor. Here, far from its native roots, it continues to thrive, a testament to careful cultivation and nature's resilience. The flower looks almost sculpted, thick, waxy bracts in bold shades of red and pink. But what appears to be a single bloom is actually a layered structure, designed to protect the tiny true flowers within. Its stalks stretch upward like green spears, and its wide leaves sway gently in the breeze. Even in stillness, this plant feels alive. In Southeast Asia, torch ginger is more than ornamental. Its unopened buds are a key ingredient in traditional dishes, tangy, citrusy, and deeply aromatic. It's also used in folk medicine, believed to ease inflammation and aid digestion. In many cultures, it symbolizes passion, purity, and energy. As rainforests vanish, species like the torch ginger rely on protected spaces like this. Botanical gardens are more than just beautiful. They're lifelines for plants and living museums for us. In this quiet moment, surrounded by greenery, the torch ginger reminds us, even far from the wild, nature still speaks, if we're willing to listen. This is the torch ginger, a flame that never fades, even in silence.